What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Eye Candy. In this week's video, we're gonna dive right back into the repair on this 2015 Stingray, get it painted, get it reassembled, and get it out the door. So let's jump right into that. Just wanted to share something on this Fender. It is an OEM Fender. It's SMC or fiberglass, and with fiberglass parts there tends to be pitting, pinholes, and stuff like that. And there was pinholes and some gouges, and all that had to be sanded out. And it got deep enough I had to glaze a few spots, and I ended up having to prime the whole Fender just to make it all look uniform and correct. So just finishing out blocking and sanding that now, and gonna get it in the booth and get this thing painted. So let's just keep rolling on. Alright guys, jumping into the paint on this Corvette. So running into a few issues. So globally there's been plenty of shortages on paint and different supplies, and unfortunately one of the toners that I need for this color is not available right now. So I've used the absolute last bit of my toner that I needed, and I've made up maybe enough. I am just praying that this is gonna make it. So let's jump into the paint, get that rocking and rolling, and hopefully get it done with no issues. So yeah, let's jump into that. So fortunately, I was able to get this car painted. It took every last drop of one of the toners to get it, and I actually had to borrow some from another shop, but I was able to get the color mixed, get it painted, get it blended out. It turned out awesome. I'm very happy with that. And yeah, so I was able to get this thing done and get it back to the customer. you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, please leave those below. But until next time, we'll catch you later.